I got my city doing front flips. When everybody.
Hey everyone, right here from 40 Sessions Australia. Got some cool new gear from F.S.A. As you all know, I've been doing this.
Oh, so
quite a lot. So they've sent me a diff drop to try and fix it. So I'm super keen for it. Can't wait to get it in and save some bucks. Because dead set. I've been doing a CV nearly every time I've gone out, and I'm over it. So I'm on my way up to Moby's place with the hoist, or I should say detour 4x4. So I'm heading up there. A few boys coming around, get a few beers and get stuck into it and see if we can fit it. So see how we go. Just getting in here, discovered I have a diff seal leak. Awesome. What it says to do is undo all the mounts to the diff, let it hang, undo these guys, take the washer off, and mount up the new bracket. So, see how we go. So literally undo the bolts for your steering, which I recommend you check because mine are all loose, especially that one. Got to take the washer off the driver's side. Diff's just hanging there. So it's all just sitting up there now. All the bolts are in. We'll start doing everything up. So there we go. Nearly done. All bolted up. Definitely has dropped them. Heaps less of angle. Didn't take that long to do actually. Perfect. Now put the plates on. There we go. Diff drop's all in. Mint bash plates are on. Looking so fresh. Just got home, drove home sweet, super happy with it. Can't wait to test it off-road, hopefully no more CVs. Give it a run in the next few days. Don't forget, subscribe, like, hit the little bell so you get notifications because I'm going to do a few more how-tos this year. Also, I've got obviously the big trips coming up, so stay tuned.